dog literally jumped from here to all the way over there, didn't she?
Yeah. Come on. Do it.
Oh!
Come on. Go. Come on. Calm down, Kuma. Yeah.
I can't believe all this stuff she tore up all over the floor while I was gone.
Kumi.
Oh, man. Okay, that cat will hurt you, dog. Won't you quit jumping like that? You're gonna hurt yourself. You're not a rabbit.
That is funny. I actually have a minute or so on one of my other cards that I put it in here. Get him. Just get him. Go, get it.
You destroyed my house when I was gone, dog. Leave the cat alone. That cat's gonna hurt you, dog.
Come on. Go.